Hello. Yeah, hello, everybody. Are you still there? Hi. Yes, just now the internet connection is not very good. Okay, hello, everybody. Hello, welcome to Perfect Laser live show. Today we are going to discuss about our wall printing machines. Okay. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yes. Okay, so right now, just now I have shown you many different samples about the wall printing machine. Yeah, very beautiful flower patterns. Yeah, and also on the glass material, you can have a look. This is a glass material printing effect. Yeah, so this is the glass. So the printing machine can works. Printing machine can works on different kinds of walls. Yeah, the paper wall and wall cloth. Okay, that's great. And also the some shell powder. Well, many different kinds of materials. And also it can works on the glass and the ceramic tile and also the wood, okay, with a very good printing effect. Okay, so with the standard four colors, the green, yellow, magenta, and the black, after the printing effect is very great, and the colors very bright, very colorful. Yeah, just like a real one. So, and this is the inks and also the ink absorber. Yeah, so the ink absorber it's attached on the printing head, so that it can protect the printing head very well. And also so when we don't use the machine, please don't take off the ink absorber. Okay, and also when we finish the printing, we need to cover and attach the ink absorber in time. Okay, so the roller wheel, it can it can be rolled on the rack on the guide rail, so it will make a very stable printing, make the printing very stable. Yeah, even on hi Kevins, hello Kevins. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, we are discussing about the wall printing machines today. Yeah, the wall printing machines can make a very beautiful and colorful printing effect. Okay. And also the red light pointer. During the working process, we can see the red light pointer. It can indicate the working area all the time, so we can know the printing area exactly based on the red light pointer. Yes, and for some optional items, okay. The first one is the foldable rack, the foldable guide rail. Yeah, the standard height of the guide rail is 2.6 meters. Well, so the printing area will be 2 meters, the height. So, and also we can customize the total height of the guide rail, yeah, such as customize it to 3 meters. Hi David, welcome to our live show. Yeah, we're discussing about the wall printing machines. Yeah, you can see this this is done by the wall printing machine. Yeah, very beautiful flower patterns. Yeah, the wall printing machine can also work on many different kinds of wall materials, wall cloth, wall paper wall, and the glass, ceramic tile. Yeah, many different kinds of materials can be applied for the wall printing machine. Okay, so after folding the rack, the total height will be 1.5 meters, so that we can even put it into our car and take it to other places for other printing works. Yeah, and then both indoor and outdoor printing. And the multiple nozzle, yeah, multiple nozzles. Yeah, these nozzles you can choose for more nozzles, yeah, with higher more nozzles with higher printing speed. Okay. So and also for our wall printing machines, yeah, this H series and the S series models, it has a very biggest advantage and the features of this machine, that is the seamless splicing and the stitching function. Well, so if we have a pattern, I'll have an image that is less than 2 meters. Well, the machine can print from the left to right directly. Okay, so well, if the big image is more than exceed 2 meters, yeah, exceed 2 meters, so the machine it can divide the picture, divide the photo into several areas. Okay, hello my dear friend, you're asking how to clean the printing head. Okay, let me introduce for you how to print in the yes, the printing head. As we know, the printing head is a very important part to maintain. So how to clean the printing head? So the first step, please, yeah, absorb the inks to the ink absorber first, yeah, and then you clean the ink tanks by the purified water. Okay, clean the ink box by the purified water, yeah, and then you can clean it by the by some detergent. Yeah, make sure the ink box is thoroughly and totally cleaned, and then you can can fill in. Please tell its price in RMB. Okay, hi my dear friend Mohammed. Okay, yeah, okay, later we have our colleagues, we will have a detailed price sheet for you. Okay, in RMB. Okay, thanks for your comments. Yeah, and after cleaning the ink pad totally, and then we can pour in some protective fluid in it. Okay, so my dear friend, have you got are you understand how to clean the ink box printing head right now? Do you still have questions about the how to clean the printing head? Richard, hi my dear friend. Yeah, so the printing head, so first you need to absorb the inks out. Yeah. Okay, so are you clear? Okay, so if you are clear, if you have no more questions about the printing head, how to clean the printing head, I will go on the discussing about the seamless splicing and the stitching function of this machine. Yeah, for this machine right now I have introduced. If we have a image, yeah, it's less than 2 meters. The pattern is less than 2 meters, so it can print it from left to the right at one time. Well, if you have a very big sized image that exceeds 2 meters, then then the machine can automatically splice in divide the picture into several parts. Yeah, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yeah, different several parts, and then it can print from the first part and the next part one by one automatically. Yes. So at the last, to finish the whole image, okay, the whole pattern. Well, and also this machine has a seamless stitching function. Well, if we finish the one part of this image, such as we only finish the one, number one, this part, this area, yeah, and then we want to have a rest and take a nap or have a cup of coffee and maybe have a good sleep. And when we wake up next day, we want to go on the printing work, and the machine can find the mark of last time stopped. Yeah, and it will continue the printing automatically, and at last finish the whole image printing. So this is really a very smart and intelligent printing machine. Okay. Okay, for this machine, the main product feature we would like to introduce for you. Okay, so this machine it controlled by a pad. So we have the software inside of the machine, and we can control on the pad directly, and also based on the pad, the screen, we can see the ink percentage and also the power percentage from this from the software. Okay, so in fact this machine is supplied by two electric circuits. So the one is the main power supply, and another is the battery backup. Yeah, battery UPS battery backup inside of the machine. So even we meet the power failure during the working process. Yeah, sometimes maybe we meet suddenly the power failure during the working process, and the machine will always keep working with the UPS battery backup in the machine. Yeah, and continue to work for 10 to 12 hours. Okay, so yeah, so in fact during the working process, when we connect with the main power, the UPS battery will be charged. Yeah, will be charged at the same time. So that to keep the battery is full charge, is in charge status, so that even when we meet the power failure status, it can continues to work. Yeah. Hello, Daniel. Welcome to our live show. Yes, today we are discussing about the wall printing machines. The printing machines. Hello, Noha. Yeah, the printing machine can print a very beautiful and very vivid, colorful printing effect on different walls and on the glass, on the ceramic tiles, and on the wood. Okay. Yeah, another feature just now is I've mentioned is the seamless splicing and the stitching function. So it can. Hello, Susan. Hi. For this machine, yeah, for the wall printing machine, it can find the last stop mark and continue the printing directly. Yes, and with the servo motor, the machine with two servo motors inside of the machine, and one is control the movement from the right to left, and another one is control the mode, the printing head movement from the up and the down. 什么？目前有些目前的播放有出现异常，Please try again later. 稍后再试。Okay. Is that okay now? Hi, my dear friend. Can you hear me? It's okay now? Hi, my dear friend. Can you hear me? Could you please type number 1 to tell me you can hear me now? Yeah. Yeah, since just now there's some internet connection problem, so I'm not sure you can hear me now right now. Everybody, could you please kindly tap number 1? Yes. Okay, so okay now. Yeah, okay, now let's go on our discussing about the wall printing machine. Okay, so for this wall printing machine, it has a very good high resolution. So the resolution can reach to 9600 dpi. So after the printing effect is very bright, very good. Printing effect is very vivid and a very bright color. Okay, and also it has a seamless stitching and splicing function. So even when we stop this time and we pause this time, and then the machine can also continue to work from last stop. Okay, and also for the large size printing, the machine can automatically divide the machine into several areas and then process the printing effect. Okay. Yeah, and also the machine has a UPS battery backup. So even when we meet the power failure during the working process, the machine still can work for us, yeah, continually, yeah, for more than 10 hours. And also the foldable rack is much more easier. Optional foldable rack, we can choose it for easier transportation and easier delivery. Okay, so now let's take a look about the PE S70 and S80, the difference. Yeah, for the S70, it has one printing head, while S80, it has two printing heads. While for one printing head, the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour, and the two pieces printing head, the printing speed will be 64 square meters per hour. Okay, and the main board for S70 is 6-core CPU with 2 GB DDR memory, and also for the S80 it has 8-core CPU, 4 GB DDR memory. And also for the UPS battery life, for S70 one printing head, the working hour will be 10 hours, while the two pieces printing head, the printing speed will be UPS battery life will be 12 hours. Yeah, both of the machine has two sensors. Yeah, so it can sense the distance between the wall and the printing head directly, so that to make a high precision printing quality. Hello Melly, hi my dear friend, welcome to our live show. We are discussing about the wall printing machines today. And also this printing machine, the resolution can reach to 9600 dpi. Yeah, so normally in the market, the normal resolution will be 2440 dpi. And the total weight of this machine is only 30 kilograms. Well, so it has a real very lightweight, so we can take it and we can carry it to anywhere. Yeah, both indoor or outdoor. Yeah, to realize the printing works. It's very easy and very convenient. Well, for the consumables right now, there are standard 4 colors. Yeah, so the first, the red. Hello George. Hi my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yeah, for the consumables of the wall printing machine, normally there are four standard color inks. Yeah, standard colors inks. The color of the ink will be black, yellow, cream, and magenta, the 4 colors. Well, for this, this is a water-based specially designed inks, yeah, from our company. So for this inks, even in a very low temperature, even the temperature is 30 degrees below zero, it will not get freeze, and it will not fade after printing. Okay. Yeah, and also the protective fluid. So the protective fluid is used to protect the printing head. Yeah, protect the ink box, yeah, ink tanks. So when we don't use the printing head for a long time, we need to clean the printing head, very clean. Yeah, totally clean the printing head. So after clean the printing head totally, we can fill in the protective fluid so that it can protect the printing head for a relatively long time. Okay, and also the treatment fluid. The treatment fluid is used for the treatment on the non-absorbent material such as glass and ceramic tiles. Yeah, so before printing, we need to spray a layer of treatment fluid on the surface of the glass or the ceramic tile, and then we wait for it to get dried. Wait for it dried, and then we can go on the printing process. Okay, this is the treatment fluid. Well, so my dear friend, are you still watching the live show? Okay, so I'm waiting for your feedbacks, I'm waiting for your comments, I'm waiting for any of your ideas. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are watching now, please kindly follow us by clicking the follow button there. Yeah, there is a follow button. It's upside your mobile phone. So please subscribe our channel so that you can find us very easily next time. And in the near future, we will hold some other live shows so that you can find you can see the real machines works on the real samples. Yeah, and today I'm only give you a brief introduction about the machines. Okay, and also please give me likes at the right side button. There is a like button here. Yeah, it's at your right side. Please click it. Yeah, and thanks very much for your support. So today, if you send us any of your feedbacks or your comments, and contact us in today's live show. Hello Ricky, welcome to our live show. So later when you place order over $3,000, you will enjoy a discount of $50. And if you place order over $7,000, you will get a discount of $100. So that will be a very economical, and it will save a lot of money. And also you can enjoy a longer warranty time. So normally for our machines only have will normally provide 1 year's warranty time. Well, so if you place order and contact us in today's live show, and we can provide a longer warranty time, so that is 2 years, absolutely 24 months warranty time. Okay, so we have full confidence that our machines can make you satisfied, and also to make sure that you have no worry about the warranty. Okay, since the warranty is a very important part, a very important factor of the business. Okay, so for the maintenance of the machine is the same with the H series, right? For the printing head is the only primary important part, need to be take care very well. So for the printing head, the quality of the printing nozzle determine the maximum value of the printing head or the printing machine. So if you don't use the machine, please don't take off the ink absorber. And also if you finish the printing, please cover the ink absorber in time to protect the printing head, and also keep the certain moisture for the printing head. Okay, and also for the other part, we only need to keep a regular clean for that, so it's enough. Yeah, for the guardrail, yeah, also we need to keep it clean, and also add some the lubrication oil for that, and also keep it and make sure it moves very smoothly. Okay. Okay, so right now, my dear friend, this is the different types of our wall printing machine. We have H series model and S series model. The H series model it normally moves on the ground and also moves on the H shape guardrail, while the S series model it works on a triangle designed guardrail. Yeah, for S series model, it's mainly and most suitable for the outside printing. Yeah, so it's much more stable and steady. Yeah, and a strong rack. Okay, and the UV printing model is use the UV ink. Okay. Okay, so right now, this is the till now. This is the discussion about PS 70 and 80 model. Hello, Max, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. Yes, and then I would like to introduce this model. Is a PES 10 model. Yeah, PES 10 model. This model is it has two functions. One function is for printing on the wall, and another is the printing on the ground. So when it's print on the wall, yeah, it's the same. It's the same model with our PS70 and S10 model or S80 model. Yeah, right. You can see it's a triangle design. Yeah, with a pad, and with the printing head, everything is the same. Well, it has another function that is the ground mode. Okay, everybody, I would like to show you how does it works on the ground. Okay, you can see, yeah, when it stand on the triangle rack. This is mode for printing on the wall. Well, when we can lay it down, yeah, lay it down on this on another rack. Yeah, so this is and change it to a ground printing mode. Okay, this is ground printing mode. You can see. Okay, now I would like to show you how does this machine works on the ground. Yeah, you can see we can. Yeah. Well, we can put it on a rack, on another rack, so it can moves on the ground. Yeah, so this machine, it can not only printing on the wall and also printing on the ground. So two functions in one machine. That's really very economical. Yeah. Wow, this is a very yeah, this is the printing result right now. Just now. Yeah, just now the printing. Yeah, you can see the printing result. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this way. You can see the printing process. Yeah, in fact, it has a very fast printing speed. Yeah. It can finish such a big image design in a very short time. Yeah, you see this is the same. Okay, the same. Okay, so this is the ground mode. Yeah, ground mode. Okay, ground mode. So when it is stand up, you can stand up it's exactly the same with S70 and S80 model, right? It works on the triangle racks and the printing head and also the height, printing height. Yeah, well, we can take the main machine, down from the rack, from the triangle rack, and then put it on another rack, so it can move through the wheels, through the wheels, and realize the printing on the ground. Yeah, from the this part, this several pictures, photos are done by the ground mode, ground printing sample. Yeah, and also the others are for the wall printing samples, okay. So this machine, it can print both on the wall and on the ground, and also it's very easy to operate, and it has a very bright colors printing effect, right? Just now you can see from the sample, yes. And also it's a very environmentally friendly and fashionable design. Okay, so for the printing speed, right, also we can choose one printing head and also two printing heads. So for one printing head, the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour, and we choose two printing heads, the printing speed will be 64 square meters per hour, and also the resolution can also, the highest resolution can reach to 9600 dpi, yes. And also this machine also with a built-in UPS battery backup, so it will support a continuous work even with power failure. Yeah, hello Charles, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yeah, just now we are discussing the wall printing machine. So this wall printing machine, it can both print on the wall and also on the ground. Yeah, and also the printing effect is very good, yes. And with the built-in battery backup, UPS battery backup, it can support the continuous work after power failure for more than 10 hours. Yeah. And also I would like to draw your attention that this machine has a very biggest advantage, that is the seamless splicing and stitching function. So when we print for a picture that is less than 2 meters, so it can be finished at one time, from left to right side. Yeah, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Yes, we're discussing about the wall printing machines today, and for this wall printing machine, it has a seamless splicing and stitching function. So when we print a image that is less than 2 meters, so it can print from left to right at one time, and then finish the whole image. And also when we have another very big image, big design pattern we need to print that is exceed 2 meters. Yeah, so at that time this machine, it can divide the big image into several parts. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yeah, many different areas. Yeah, and then it can print from the one part and another one, one by one, directly, automatically. So this is a very smart and intelligent machine. So even finish one part, and then the next part at the last, it will finish the whole image. And also, when we finish the one part, we want to stop it, and we have a rest. And we have when we have a rest, then and when we come back for the continue to printing, the machine, we can find the last time stop mark, last time stopped location mark, and then we can go on the printing. And also the printing machine will go on printing automatically, and at last finish the whole image. Well, so this machine is really a very very smart and very intelligent machine, right? Do you think so? Okay. And also the rack, yeah, the guardrail, yeah, the total guardrail, the height of the guardrail will be 2.6 meters, while the printing area is 2 meters. Okay, and we can also, if you need a higher height of the guardrail, we can also customize it to 3 meters. Well, you can also choose a foldable rack. So after folding the rack, the height, total height of this rack of the machine will be 1.5 meters. So it will be much easier and much more convenient for us to for the transportation and delivery. We can even put it into our car and take it to other place, yeah, to other place for other printing requests. Okay. And also the hello Tom, welcome to our live show. Yeah, today we're discussing about the wall printing machine, where we can have a look. Such a beautiful wall printing effect. Yeah, this is done by the wall printing machine. Yes, and also you can see after printing, the printing effect, the printing colors, it's very colorful, yeah, very bright, and very beautiful. And also right now I'm discussing the PS10 model. So this model, it can not only support the wall printing and also the ground printing. So it's really a very economical machine. And also we can choose more nozzles for faster speed printing. Okay, now let's take a look about the consumables or the printing machine. Yeah, for our H series and S series model, we choose the this is a water-based ink. Yeah, it's a specially designed water-based ink. So the ink, the printing color, yeah, is very vivid, yeah, very bright and very colorful, very nice. Okay, and also this ink, it will not get freeze even at a temperature 30 degrees below zero. Wow, it's so cold, right? And it will not freeze. And also the color will be very bright and very vivid, and even for a long time, more than 10 years, it will still keep a very bright and a very good effect. Okay, and also in the middle one is the protective fluid. The protective fluid is used for protect the printing head. Yeah, so when we don't use the machine for a certain long time, we need to clean the ink box, clean the ink pad, clean the printing head, yeah, totally, and then we can fill in some protective fluid in it, and then it will protect the printing head for a long time. Okay, and then the last one is the treatment fluid. The treatment fluid is used for treat on some non-absorbent materials such as the glass and the ceramic tiles. Yeah, so before printing, we need to spray a layer of treatment fluid on the surface of the glass and the ceramic tile, and we wait for it to get dried, and then we can process the printing. Okay, so this is the treatment fluid for some non-absorbent materials such as the glass and the ceramic tiles. Okay, so compare with our series model and H series, S series model and H series model. Yeah, for the S series model, it's a triangle structure, yeah, and also it's much more stable and steady and strong, and especially suitable for some outdoor printing. While for the H series, you can see it can moves on the ground directly and also moves on the H-shaped track. Yeah, and also for this one, it's very suitable for some flat ground. Okay. And also the real guardrail, yes, for S series, the guardrail is 2.5 meters height and the standard length, yeah, standard rack, standard rail is 4.5 meters, okay, 4.5 meters. Okay, well, for the H series model, it has also the height will be 2.5 meters. Well, the rack, the rail guide rail length will be 3 meters. Yeah, so this is the standard guardrail length. Okay, and for the S series model is controlled by a pad. Yeah, controlled by a pad, so we can operate on the pad directly. Well, for the H series model, it has an internal industrial PC system in it, and also it has a 12-inch screen, yeah, touch screen there. Also, we can operate on the screen directly. And the moving way is for the S series. It's moving on the rail, yeah, guide rail. And the H series, it can move by the two wheels, yeah, by the driving and also the wheels on the ground directly. And also it can move on the track, yeah, on the guide rail. For the requirement for the floor, yeah, for the S series, it has the even the ground is not that flat. It's also very suitable, yeah, for the S series, and also very suitable for the outdoor printing. Well, for the S series, as for the H series, it needs a higher requirement for the flat ground, yeah. Okay, so H series is much more suitable for some very flat ground printing. Okay, so my dear friend, till now we have finished all the 3 models of our wall printing machine instruction. So my dear friend, I would like to invite you to follow us by clicking the follow button there, yeah, so that in the near future you can find us more easily for more live shows, okay, for more live shows. And also please give me likes, yeah, likes at the right side button. Thanks very much for your support, okay. Thanks very much. And also, if you have any questions you want to ask, and if you have any messages you had any of your comments, please kindly let me know so that we can discuss based on your questions together. Okay. Yeah, and also my dear friend, if you send us any ideas, any comments today in today's live show, yeah, you can later, if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. And also if you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. Okay, that will be very economical, and it can help to save a lot of money for you. Yeah, and also we can provide a longer warranty time for you. So normally our warranty time is 1 year, that is 12 months. Well, if you contact us in today's live show, and then we can provide a 24 months warranty time for you, okay? So everybody, till now I have mainly introduced our H series model and S series model, and also we have UV model that is used for the UV, adopt the UV ink for the UV ink printing. Okay, so for the H series model and S series model, do you still have any questions about that? Yeah, H series and S series. Yeah, for the H series and S series, first they have a different structure, right? Yeah, different structure design. Yeah, and for the S series model, it has a low requirement of the flatness of the ground. Well, for the H series, it has a higher requirement of the ground, of the flatness of the ground. Okay, so we need a very it requires a very flat ground to make sure the printing is in a very high in a very good quality and a very high precision. Okay, yeah, so yeah, right now, my dear friend, you can see all of those samples are done by our yeah, hello Julian. Yeah, you can see all of these samples are done by our wall printing machine. Yes, very beautiful. Yeah, you can see the very beautiful, very colorful, and very clear printing, right? And also it can print on the glass material. Yes, this is glass printing material. Glass printing. Yeah, you can see the printing effect on the glass is really very bright and very beautiful. The printing effect is very good. Okay, so till now, this is the introduction about our wall printing machines. And all of our machines, yeah, we have a very strict QC control system. So all of the machines have a 48 hours running test and a 72 hours aging test to make sure that all the machines have a very good conditions and when our customers receive it. Okay. Well, so about the after sales service, yeah, normally our warranty time is 12 months, yeah. So during the warranty time, if you have any requests about the spare part, yeah, we can offer you some free spare parts during the warranty time. Yeah, and also we will provide you the guideline and the guiding and also the instruction about how to use the machine and about including the adjustment, operation, and installation and everything you requested. Okay. And also we will offer you the very professional printing software. Yes. Okay, so why choose Perfect Laser? Are you still wondering why choose Perfect Laser? Perfect Laser since 1995. So till now, we have more than 20 years history of the manufacturer experience. Yeah. And all of the machines have got CE ISO roll certificate. So I would like to show you some of our certificate. Yeah, you can see this is the roll certificate. Yeah, and also this is the CE certificate. Yeah, CE certificate. And also, CE and the roll certificate, this is a very important certificate for some European countries, right? So it means that our machines comply with European standard, so that it's really very safe to buy from us. And also this is our golden supplier certificate. Yeah, and also you can see this machine is this certificate is verified by the SCS company. As we all know, SCS is a well-known international inspection institute. So through SCS verified, you really have no worry to buy from us. Okay, and also we will offer you the free VCD training, video training, and also the instructions and the guidance with the machines. So I'm sure you can learn how to use the machine in a very short time. Even you don't have this kind of machine operation experience, I'm sure you can use it and learn how to use it in a very short time, since it's very easy to operate. Yeah, and also the software is a very friendly, environmentally friendly, has a very environmentally friendly interface. So it's very easy and convenient to use it. Okay, so every year we have thousands of machines have been exported to more than 180 countries. Yeah, and also we have a very talented team, so we can provide a 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service. So anytime, anywhere, we are online and waiting for your questions, waiting for your feedbacks. Okay. And also we have enjoyed a very good feedbacks and reputations from our customers all over the world. Yes, and also, yeah, you can see the the wall printing color effect. It's very colorful, right? It's very colorful and it's waterproof. and also it will not get faded. Yeah, and also for the wall printing machine, do you still remember the one of the biggest advantage, the biggest features of the machine, that is the seamless stitching and splicing function. So this is a very special features of this machine. And also with the UPS battery backup, yeah, it can supply continue working for 10 to 12 hours after power failure. Yes. Okay, so my dear friend, till now I have finished all the introduction about the wall printing machines. Yeah, and also you can see our machines not only have got the CE, ISO rows, those kind of certificate, and also we have many other different kinds of certificate. It proves that our wall printing machine, all of our machines really have a very good quality. Okay, so till now, that's all the introduction about the wall printing machine. Thanks very much for your watching and your time with us. Yeah, so if you are willing to watch more live show in near future, please remember to follow us, by clicking the follow button to subscribe our channel, so that in near future you will not miss our live show. So I'm sure you'll get what you want to hear, and I'm willing to see you again. Okay, and also my dear friend, you can also visit our website to see more videos and more introduction and more information about our machines. Okay, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Till now our live show is drawing to the end. Okay, so please remember to follow us by subscribe our channel, so next time you can watch more live show about us. Okay, so my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye right now, and I'm waiting for your orders, I'm waiting for your feedbacks, I'm waiting for your comments, I'm waiting for your contacts. Okay, my dear friend, Perfect Laser is willing to be your reliable partner from now and forever. Thanks very much. Okay, my dear friend, thanks again for watching, and I would like to see you next time, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. Okay, my dear friend, see you next time. Bye bye.